Ready to step into the future of home living? These futuristic smart gadgets are designed to make everyday life smoother, smarter, and way more comfortable. From lighting that adapts to you, to devices that handle chores on autopilot, your home is about to feel like science fiction turned real. All the products are linked in the description below. Dinner on Wheels just got futuristic. This autonomous food delivery robot zips through hotels, hospitals, or restaurants, carrying up to 60 kilos of meals with ease. It doesn't just drop food, it also collects trays afterward, cutting down on staff workload. With pinpoint navigation, it delivers right to the exact spot you need. Built tough for non-stop service, it even recharges itself when the job's done. Why row in silence when you can row with a view? This smart rowing machine comes with a massive rotating HD screen that streams live and on-demand workouts. You'll feel like you're gliding on water thanks to its smooth magnetic resistance system. The padded seat, adjustable straps, and low-stress handle keep you comfortable while you push through. When you're done, it stores upright to save space. Movie night, gaming marathon, or just a lazy Sunday, this smart recliner has you covered. With voice control or a simple button press, you can adjust the backrest and footrest to the perfect angle. Built-in USB and Type-C ports keep your devices charged, while the phone holder frees up your hands. Memory foam cushions mold to your body for all-day comfort. Strong, stylish, and easy to assemble in minutes. Cleaning high or hard-to-reach windows doesn't have to be a hassle anymore. This robot uses dual mop polishing that mimics hand wiping, scrubbing away dirt at 600 strokes per minute for a spotless finish. Its ultrasonic mist spray breaks down grime without streaks, while sensors keep it safe on framed or frameless glass. Control it with your phone or remote and let it handle the shine for you. Take your streaming setup to the next level with this compact control deck. It gives you 6 fully customizable LCD keys, plus extra knobs and switch buttons so you can launch apps, control audio, or trigger commands with a single tap. Compatible with OBS, Twitch, YouTube, and more, it keeps everything at your fingertips. Small, sleek, and endlessly customizable. It's like having a shortcut hub built just for creators. It looks like an ordinary light bulb, but it's actually a powerful security camera. Just screw it into a standard fixture, and you've got 2K HD video, motion-activated lighting, and even color night vision. A wide 160-degree view keeps watch over driveways, porches, or backyards. You can pan, tilt, and talk through the camera right from your phone. With built-in alarms and smart alerts, your home stays bright and protected around the clock. It's like having a pet and a plant in one. This smart planter shows little emoji faces to tell you exactly what your plant needs: water, light, or just some care. Automated watering and soil sensors take the guesswork out of keeping greenery alive. You can even check on your plant's status or adjust settings from an app. Cute, interactive, and helpful, it makes plant care fun and stress-free. Imagine never scrubbing floors or emptying dustbins again. This robot vacuum isn't just smart, it's a full cleaning station in one sleek machine. With 8,000 pi of suction, it pulls dirt from carpets and corners, while its hydrojet roller mop scrubs floors at 170 RPM for spotless results. The dock washes, dries, refills, and even empties itself so you don't lift a finger. Designed like a sports car, it cleans hard while looking futuristic in your home. Gaming just got a serious comfort upgrade. This recliner comes with a plush headrest pillow and segmented padding that keep you relaxed through every level. A built-in cup holder and side pouch mean your drinks and controllers are always within reach. The footrest and backrest move independently, giving you full control while keeping cables safe from tangles. And with a sturdy swivel base that reclines up to 135 degrees, you can lean back, lock in, and game with total confidence. It's like playing chess against the future. This smartboard uses a robotic arm to move real pieces with smooth precision, making every match feel alive. With 25 levels of AI, it adapts whether you're just learning or playing at grandmaster strength. Built-in training includes over 1,000 puzzles, endgame practice, and even classic matches you can replay. You can play solo, with family, or even connect online for endless challenges. Think of this as the brain of your smart home. One hub connects everything: lights, TV, AC, curtains, even other smart gadgets, and you can control it by voice, app, or its built-in screen. The 2.4-inch display shows temperature, humidity, and weather alerts, so you always know what's going on indoors. A simple knob lets you fine-tune settings or switch between modes like movie night or away. Want your home to smell like a luxury hotel? This smart diffuser fills every corner with fragrance using cold air technology, so oils stay pure and long-lasting. With a huge 600-milliliter tank, it can run for weeks without constant refills. You can even control schedules and intensity right from your phone through Bluetooth. Quiet, mess-free, and HVAC compatible, it transforms your whole space into a relaxing 5-star atmosphere. Charging doesn't have to look boring. This futuristic block doubles as a robot-shaped charger that folds up small for travel or stands tall like a display piece on your desk. With 3 ports, it powers your phone, tablet, and laptop all at once, up to 65 watts of fast charging. Built-in protections keep everything safe from overheating or short circuits. An ice blue light even shows you the charging status in real time. Flat screen or curved? Why choose when you can have both? With the push of a button, this OLED TV bends to the perfect angle for movies, gaming, or everyday watching. It delivers razor-sharp 4K visuals, deep contrast, and super smooth gameplay with a 120 Hz refresh rate and next-gen sync tech. Height, tilt, and swivel adjustments mean it fits your setup perfectly, while built-in voice control makes everything hands-free. This isn't just a fan, it's a floating display for the future. Spinning LED blades create jaw-dropping 3D visuals that look like they're hovering in midair. From product ads to holiday effects, you can choose from hundreds of preloaded animations or upload your own through the app. Sync multiple fans for giant video walls, add Bluetooth audio for immersive shows, and control it all remotely. It's impossible not to stop and stare. Imagine a ceiling fan that sets the mood as well as it cools the room. This low-profile smart fan delivers powerful airflow while staying whisper quiet. Built-in lights adjust from warm to cool tones. Plus, RGB colors let you wash your space in any vibe you like: calm, cozy, or party-ready. Control it all with an app, remote, or even your voice. Easy to install and sleek in design, it's comfort with style built in. Who says picture frames have to be boring? This digital frame lights up with a 16 by 16 pixel display that you control straight from an app. You can show off weather, time, or even your own pixel art creations. Prefer ready-made? Download thousands of cool animations, from retro game icons to calming scenery. Set it on your desk or hang it on the wall. It's art that never stops moving. Your cat gets a cleaner bathroom, and you get your time back. This automatic litter box quietly scoops itself, sealing waste in odor-proof bags so your home stays fresh. The roomy open-top design feels natural for cats, even larger breeds. An app lets you track litter levels, bathroom habits, and switch modes right from your phone. With up to 2 weeks of hands-free use, it's the ultimate low-maintenance upgrade for pet owners. It's more than a safe, it's a smart bedside companion. This biometric drawer safe unlocks with your fingerprint, a code, or backup keys, giving you quick access in seconds. The built-in LED display shows time, humidity, and temperature, so you're always in the know. On top, wireless charging keeps your phone and smartwatch powered, while your valuables stay protected below. Silent mode and interior lighting make it discreet, secure, and easy to use anytime. Breathe easier without even thinking about it. This ultra-quiet air purifier works in 6 stages to trap dust, smoke, mold, and odors before they ever reach you. A special germ defense filter even captures bacteria and particles that carry viruses. It can sit on the floor or mount to the wall, blending right into your space. Covering up to 800 square feet, it keeps the air fresh, clean, and allergy-friendly. This isn't just a coffee table, it's the ultimate living room upgrade. Built-in refrigerated drawers keep drinks and snacks perfectly chilled, right within arm's reach. Wireless charging on top and USB ports on the side mean your devices never run out of power. Powerful Bluetooth speakers turn movie nights into a surround sound experience with LED lights that move to the music. Sleek, functional, and fun. It's a table that does it all. Ever wish your bed could feel like its own little world? This king-size bed tent turns your mattress into a private getaway. 3 zippered doors make it easy to slip in and out, and blackout panels block 93% of light so you can sleep anytime. Mesh layers keep air flowing while still giving you privacy. Quick to set up, easy to fold away, and perfect for shared spaces or just cozy nights in. Why settle for a plain alarm clock when your desk can light up like a cyberpunk control panel? This smart display does more than just wake you up. You can stream pixel art, animations, or even design your own creations. Real-time dashboards keep you updated on weather, stocks, or your latest gaming stats at a glance. Wi-Fi and app control make it easy to customize, so it's as fun as it is functional.